Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a plan with me and we are going to be planning out the week of March 2nd through March 8th in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. Some of you, maybe not all of you, might be wondering, Jen, what happened to last week's plan with me? Funny story. So I did a full plan with me using this planner cake kit and I was really happy with how it turned out and I was super excited about it because I was in love with this kit. But this week, oh my goodness, let me just explain to you guys about this week. My family owns a production company and we have two events that we do every year, and one of our events just so happens to be an independent film festival, and the film festival just so happened to be going on during this week. And I filmed my plan with me on Monday after I got off work, and the film festival was Wednesday through Saturday, and technically Sunday because Sunday was a wrap-up day and everything and kind of a recuperating day because it is 4 days of just non-stop work. So I didn't really have time to edit this plan with me. I was gonna do it in a different format to try and make it to where I could upload it, but it just wasn't in the cards. I had work, I also had to take care of my personal training client, and it didn't happen. I was not happy with it. So this was last week. I was very happy with how the entire spread turned out, and I'm really sad that I didn't record it the way that I'm used to recording my plan with me's, but I guess it's just gonna have to do. Anyways, moving forward to this week, I am using another planner cake kit. I am using 217. This is the kit that I was so excited about in my planner cake haul. So we have the sampler sheet, we have the full boxes, we have the basic labels. I got 2 of the basic labels because I end up using a whole bunch of those. And then I got the decorative labels, the sidebar, the thick washi, and then the date covers. So that is this kit for the week. So I'm just gonna lay down the bones of the week, kind of do my sidebar, my date covers, and then we'll go into Monday and possibly Tuesday. I may end up speeding this along, doing a voiceover, all kinds of things like that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and speed you guys up and do the bare bones of the week. And then I'll talk to you guys and fill you guys in on everything. So here we go. Okay, so I have the bones of the week laid down. I didn't try and match the rainbows up or anything. I just want to kind of keep it a little hodgepodge. I love bright, colorful weeks. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get started on Monday. I'm actually filming this on Monday. Guys, my week has been absolutely crazy busy. So the first thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna decide what color scheme you want to do. I'll start off doing blue. I actually slept in this morning. This week was absolutely insane. So I gave myself kind of a break. My husband and I actually fell asleep on the couch, believe it or not. That like never happens. We were so exhausted. I did go to work though. So this past week, like I said, it was our film festival, and I guess I'll give you a little bit of a backstory. So When we first moved to Texas, Dad found this adorable little theater, and he became the manager of it. And when I say theater, it's like a performing arts theater. He started to manage it, and his first instinct and his first thought was, oh my gosh, this has got to, I want to do a film festival here. My dad is a very creative man. He's a musical producer. He's produced my music, and it's always kind of been his dream to put on a film festival. So finally, after like 10 years of wishing and hoping and dreaming, he finally did it. This was our 3rd year for the festival, and it just keeps getting better and better as time goes on, but it's so much work on the whole family, like, because it's a family production, absolutely, and it's just so much on everybody. So we spent the past week, we had over 200 independent films submitted to us, and that is incredible because the very first year we only had 88 films that were submitted to us. I say only as if it's like, that's not an impressive number. That is an absolutely impressive number. But compared to this year, when we had, you know, over 200 submitted to us from all over the world, not just from the United States, but like all over the world, it's pretty incredible. So, and on top of that, my husband performed, him and his band performed at the film festival. If you guys have watched any of my previous Plan With Me's, you'll see at the bottom hour I always put practice, and that was for Shane going to band practice because he does have a metal rock band, and they're very good. They're not just like loud, they're insanely talented, and they did an absolutely amazing job. I could not have been more proud. So it was a very, very eventful week, and I'm both happy and sad that it's over. Happy that my schedule gets to go back to how it was. So I'm extremely glad that I get to have my regularly scheduled plans back. But I'm also so happy with how the festival went. All the filmmakers who showed up were so happy and so grateful for the opportunity to come out here, and truly just absolutely gracious and lovely and wonderful. Okay, so tomorrow I do have to train my client, but I don't have to leave until about 7 o'clock. So I think I'll actually get to come home and make dinner. Gosh, I feel like I haven't done one of these Plan With Me's in so freaking long. I mean, I haven't. I didn't do one last week, and it was just such a hodgepodge, guys. I wanted to do a Plan With Me so bad. I guess, you know, to keep on theme, I guess I have to now. So getting back to a normal routine is gonna be quite something. So I'm just gonna put down full boxes to mark when I'm at work. Obviously I work 9 to 5, but these, just for the sake of lining everything up in the correct hours, I'm going to just put it from here to about 3. 6 o'clock, I want to come home and make dinner. So tonight Shane made dinner, and he did pork chops. And I guess I did the potatoes. I did oven roasted potatoes and then green beans. This week we're staying home and eating at home. So yeah, this is how the first part of this week looks. It's very basic, my normal routine. I feel like there was so much more that I wanted to talk to you guys about, but I'm sure that'll come to me in later videos. So this is what this first part of this week looks. I'm gonna flip it over and probably just speed through this and then try and edit this together the best I can. My brain is just so all over the place. Hopefully I can edit this together and make it somewhat understanding and make it somewhat easy to understand for later on. Sorry, this is so all over the place, guys. I'm trying. So here we go. One thing I will say about using this kit is all of the decorative boxes did not have one specific color theme. And I found that slightly challenging because normally I use the color themes from the boxes to pick my colors of the day. So I'm gonna start adding a question of the day in my Plan With Me's. And my question is, do you color code your days of the week, or do you just kind of go with the flow of whatever kit you're using? Let me know in the comments below. Do you prefer color coding your weeks, or does it matter to you? Okay, so this is basically how the week looks before I put any of the decorative stuff on there or the pen. It's basically just back to my normal routine, work, and then training my client. And I know this Saturday, my sister, it's very exciting, she's running her very first marathon. So I'm very excited to go and support her in that. I'm gonna actually watch her kids for her in the morning before she goes. But yeah, so the week is just normalizing and it's back to everyday things. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna speed it back up, put my deco in and fill it in with the pen, and I'll do this in a voiceover and hopefully I can edit it together and make it decent. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I will wrap it all up at the very end, and yeah, here we go. So this week is basically a normal week. We started off Monday with my younger brother calling in from Scotland, and I'm putting a little sleeping doodle girl because I did sleep in. I marked busy at work with this Emotis who's covered in paperwork. After I got off work, I came home and I cleaned, and then Shane made pork chops for dinner. On Tuesday, I want to go to the gym, and then after the gym, of course, I have work with my little stressed out at work doodle girl, and then I'm going to train my client. On Wednesday, I want to wake up again and go to the gym again. And then of course, it's back to work I go. I want to try and do a quick grocery run after I get off work, and then have dinner, and then relax at home with that little relax emoji. On Thursday, it is payday, so I just marked that with a Planner Kate sticker. And then I'm going to the gym, and then it's back to work I go. And then later that evening, I am training my client, and then I'm going to relax at home after I train. Friday, I'm going to the gym again. You guys see a pattern here. Then work, lunch, and dinner. I'm just marking with the cute little emotis. Saturday is a very exciting day because my sister is running her very first full marathon. So I'm gonna put a little wonton in a million running sticker. And I just marked that I'm watching her kids for her while she does that. Sunday is of course church, and then my normal laundry and chores, and then I'm going to film my Plan With Me. All right, everybody, this is it. This is my week for the week of March 2nd through the 8th. It's somewhat of a normal week. I did go a little heavy on my little emotis today. I just think that they're so cute. I did add a couple of little doodle girls. I'm gonna go in with the pen a little bit later just because I'm not 100% sure what's going on these last few days. And I just wanna, I hate having things written down and then going back and going, oh, well, that didn't happen. So I'm just gonna kind of leave it at this and kind of write in the pen as I go. Thank you guys so much for bearing with me with this mess of a plan with me. I wanted to get some form of normalcy back after a very, very crazy week. I'm so sad that I didn't get to upload this plan with me, but hopefully this one makes up for it. I love how the rainbow turned out. I just think it's so bright and colorful and makes me really excited for springtime. So yeah, that is it. That is my week. I will fill you guys in on social media. So be on the lookout. I have a haul video coming later this week. It's a bit shameful how many shops I have ordered from. So I have a huge Etsy sticker haul coming your way later this week. Yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on whenever I upload, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.